I like this brand for oat milk. Lit this pumpkin candle. It smells so much like fall. It's so nice. I'm like so excited for fall. Just using this milk. I like this brand for oat milk. I think it's really good. I just make oat milk lattes sometimes I choose not to because coffee makes me like a little bit shaky and the caffeinated side of it, but I've been using these, which are the Super Coffee, the hazelnut brand, and I think that they're a little bit better. They don't have as much caffeine. And then I'm trying to find over here, I had like some mushroom coffee that's really good, but just not using it at the moment. But I like to shake this, and then I will just add it into my coffee. Put like a good amount. And use this. That froths it. Okay, now I am making fish. I feel like this turned into like a what I eat in a day. But I just made the pico right here. I'm just gonna snack on that with this. But now I have this pan and I have this fish that's gonna go bad, so I'm just gonna make it tonight. I was gonna order sushi, but then I was like, I feel like I shouldn't let this go to waste, so I'm just gonna put a little olive oil in my dish. And then I'm going to take this out. I don't know, I'll probably just make both. If there is enough room. Okay, now I'm going to season it. I have a recipe on my phone. Let's see, preheat the oven. Okay, salt. Pepper. It's like 3 tablespoons of melted butter. I'm gonna put, like, this is very optional, but I can open this. I'm going to put some gluten-free breadcrumbs. To 400, so just waiting. It's at 335. Then I will just put it right in here. This is the fish I just took out. I just put a little lemon on the top. It looks really good. And then that's the pico. I did make some rice on the side. It looks kind of gross, but it's not actually rice. It's the right rice made from vegetables. I got this at Whole Foods. It's super good. And then I actually baked some cookies. So they're in the oven right now, but I just made some peanut butter chocolate chip cookies. I just took off my makeup. Oh shoot. And about to finally sit down and chill out. I put on like some pajama shorts, but I need to grab a bowl, I mean a plate. Hello?
What, your phone?
Yeah. Dinner. I'm gonna watch YouTube and eat dinner. It is much later now. I just watched a little YouTube, so I'm gonna go to bed. I was just on TikTok. I'm on like the Christian side of TikTok. I wonder what side you guys are on. Like, I feel I don't ever see like dancing or any, you know what I mean, like the dances or stuff like that. I wonder if it's because like all I watch is like certain stuff, you know what I mean, how like it reads it for you. But I was just listening to some like videos and testimonies. It was super encouraging. Just about like, it was just about patience and how important it is to stay patient. And I know sometimes we want certain things, but it's ultimately in God's timing. So when you're patient, you can really just like rely on that and just keep on like staying in faith. I think that's the biggest thing. The enemy will always try to lie to you about that. He always wants you to think that you can't have like what it is that you're maybe meant to have, but it's actually not true. You have to just stay patient, even though it can be so hard. And you know, just know that you're capable of having the things that you want, but surrendering to God is what's going to set you free. So that was like basically kind of what I just watched, like 5 videos on that. I was like, maybe it's like a sign for me too, because like, you know, sometimes I feel like we're in a rush, but God's never in a rush. And nothing happens unless it's on his timing. So yeah, I don't know, that was just on my mind. But I'm honestly gonna go to bed soon. It's 8:50, but I'm so tired. I've been up since like 6:30 because I had a workout this morning at Solid Core, and then I had the whole day, and I have class tomorrow. So with that being said, I will see you guys in my next video. I hope you enjoyed this. Love you guys, and yeah. Bye. Balsamic glaze.
Glaze?
It's a healthy
Please.
salad for dinner. Dinner. Salad, chicken and bread. You copy bandit?
Giving goosebumps to all the Sundays in the dreams. I am hands were tangled in the weeds, moving so softly nobody can see. Against your morning skin, while it's shy like two young lovers walking by. There's a soft, strange kind of art, giving company to all the lonely hearts. There's 100 cigarettes on the ground, and our clothes are still hanging around. And it's nice to be ugly in each other's arms, so we can grow over all the things we were before.
These ideas again and again and participate in them, and it's allowed them, I think, to feel empowered.
That JC analogy, feeling like all of these episodes have to fit in a collection, because JC reminds me that I am that string that pulls everything together.
Loves were playing, giving goosebumps to all the Sunday summer trees. My hands were tangled